Welcome to the NetSuite series overview for the procure-to-pay process for wholesale distribution. My name is Ben Gibson, and I'm a solution consultant on the wholesale distribution team here at NetSuite. Within NetSuite, I will leverage real-time reporting and proactive reminders on my purpose-built dashboard to create a purchase order based on the reorder points established on the inventory item record. And with NetSuite, I know that the correct vendor pricing will automatically apply and my order will be distributed to our vendor in real time, ensuring that we have enough available inventory at the proper unit price as we head into our busiest time of year. So let's jump into the demonstration. I'm now logged into NetSuite. As an inventory manager, this is my home dashboard. It comes pre-configured with all the tools necessary to maximize my productivity. I have an important role. I need to make sure product is shipping out of the door on time while simultaneously managing purchasing to ensure that we can meet our customers' demand. As I start my day, I'm able to review my reminders, shortcuts, and key performance indicators, not only allowing me to proactively complete my tasks throughout the day, but to also review how my warehouse operations are performing in real time. I noticed that my on-hand inventory value has increased nearly 5% since last month. And I can drill into the inventory valuation report directly from my dashboard to analyze the quantities and the value of my inventory items. Additionally, I can see which of my high-value inventory items are taking up a significant percentage of my warehouse's total inventory value. To investigate further, I can click into the transactional detail to gain visibility into the inventory transactions that are affecting the value of my items, which is incredibly useful for troubleshooting costing problems with my inventory items. But I also know that since we are going into our busy season, sales are on an upward swing and will continue to trend in that direction. And I need to make sure we have enough inventory to meet our customers' needs in the days ahead. Navigating to my shortcuts, I have quick access to the current inventory snapshot report. This report helps me pinpoint which items across all of the warehouses are low on stock and require replenishment. Now I have visibility into exactly which items by preferred vendor I need to order, giving me real-time insights into their reorder points, preferred stock levels, what's on hand, on existing purchase orders, and because we are in our peak season, what's committed to sales orders, and most importantly, the quantities that I need to order. Placing my orders for the day couldn't be easier. My dashboard has real-time reminder for all the items that I need to order. I'll place an order for our US 1 location from our vendor Micro Corporation to get our inventory up to the optimal level where we need them to be. And because NetSuite's functionality allows for the auto calculation of reorder point and preferred stock levels, I'm in an ideal situation because the system takes the guesswork out of how much and when I need to order. With a click of a mouse, NetSuite has automatically consolidated line items that are sourced from the same vendor, generated a single purchase order, and sent it to the vendor via email without the need for any manual data entry. The correct negotiated vendor rates for 2019 were applied, including the quantity discount pricing schedule, as well as the new 210 Net 30 billing terms Micro Corporation awarded us from our negotiation meeting. Before NetSuite, I was managing the purchasing for all of our locations in multiple systems and in inaccurate Excel spreadsheets. Now with NetSuite, that headache is long gone. I'm able to complete my purchasing for the day with just a click of a mouse while I'm still on my first cup of coffee.